mayonnaise pasta.
This is like the signature item here of Nadine's.
Both of my sons are football players.
That's who you were making this
For him and all the football team, correct.
Which is really good.
Spicy, but not too spicy.
This is hot sausage. I break it up on here.
You cook all this up?
I'm gonna add some cut up salamis, cut up capicola.
Now this right here, what is this stuff? That's a lot of Italian sausage. I didn't.
And this is roasted onions and peppers.
So far, whatever we're making is great. Tomatoes?
Diced tomatoes.
We got the whole bounty on that one with shells. We got the penne rigate, some fusilli.
A little bit of Asiago cheese. Mix it all up.
I always enjoy my pasta when the meat to pasta ratio is 50-50. This is just straight up tomato sauce, or?
Yes.
Whoa!
That's enough. And I put it in the oven and I bake it.
Okay, you can put a lid on it. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Must be an important dish. 4 wraps. Now a little Asiago.
Asiago.
Yeah, you had me at hello. Great sausage. The salami, nice and salty. The capicola gives a nice sweetness to it. Excellent, really nice. Winter Italian dinner.
This pasta is great.
Pasta dish right there. That's bananas.
Bananas is good.
Your granny's clam chowder.
They actually have potato gnocchis in there, and it's so heavenly good. Oh, to die for.
Clam chowder gnocchi.
Yep, it's our little spin on a clam chowder.
Let's roll. Hot potato.
Hot potatoes. We're gonna cut these in half. You gotta do it right away, otherwise the potatoes get real gummy and then it makes like a really poor product.
I take it we're gonna just kind of rice them through this.
Take it right here, pop them right out. Now with this spoon, we push them right through.
I like the method, man.
Yeah, it works out pretty good. Then at this point, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna season it with freshly ground black pepper, some salt, butter, some extra virgin olive oil. There we go. I'm gonna crack 2 eggs in here.
Going pretty rustic on this one.
That's what we do. A little chive.
This is awesome.
And we're gonna mix all this up together.
Okay. All with a bench knife.
That's it. Everything's all mixed together and happy now.
Okay.
Then we add in our flour. We're just gonna cover the top of it here. We don't mix it all together because it creates too much gluten. So we're gonna cut this baby in half, and we're just gonna keep folding over top, pressing it and pressing it.
Kind of almost in the biscuit theory.
Exactly.
I don't think I've ever done the cut and stack. This has got to be some nice and light gnocchi, huh?
Yeah, pretty much just melts in your mouth.
I like this method.
So after we get it all mixed together, we're gonna let it sit for about a half hour. We had a chance to rest, so we take this off, just dust this a little bit of flour, cut a little edge off like that.
Okay.
We roll it out nice and light. We're gonna be gentle with it. Then we just kind of come to the edge here and cut down.
Yeah.
Sprinkle some bench flour over top of it.
So they don't dry out. Scoop them up.
Just toss it up.
Beautiful. All right, so now we're gonna go and make the clam stock.
We're gonna take our clams, little neck clams, by the way. We're gonna take our onions, add them in, carrots, celery,
So the mirepoix.
a little bit of garlic, fresh thyme, fresh parsley, bay leaf, whole black peppercorns. We just cover this with water.
This will also make the broth.
Yep. Cover this with foil.
Fire it up, let them go 10 minutes. You'll strain it.
These are the cool clams that we're gonna pick for our clam chowder. We're gonna assemble the whole clam chowder right here. So we got applewood smoked bacon here. We're gonna get nice and crisp. Add in our shallot, garlic, get a light toast on this. Add in our clams, clam stock. Gonna drop our gnocchi. These gnocchis are rising, so we're gonna add these to our pan. The starches from these gnocchi is gonna kind of help thicken the sauce. Now a little cream.
Mount it with
We got
butter.
a little butter. Season it with a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper.
Tighten it up.
Now we're ready to plate. Take some of our crispy shallots here.
Shove them in my face.
And we finish it with a little celery leaf salad.
Very nice. The gnocchi is delicate, depth and flavor, and get a little bit of the clam and the creaminess. But it's not the creaminess in the sauce, it's the creaminess in the gnocchi itself. And then the salad on it. The salad on the top is what makes it. Wow, this is literally one of the best gnocchi dishes I've ever had.
Oh, awesome, man.
We've got the wicked chicken riggies right here.
It's spicy, but with a great flavor. Can't be replicated. It's delicious. It's a central New York dish. Our wicked chicken riggies.
Time out. It's called riggies?
Riggies are rigatoni. These parts, chicken riggies rule.
Okay, let's start the riggies.
First, we're gonna start with olive oil. garlic, sweet onion. And we'll just let that simmer for a moment. Then we go to our peppers. Yellow peppers, sweet red, green, a little jalapeno.
So this has got some spice to it?
Well, we call it wicked for a reason, you know? Oregano,
Red chili flake.
cayenne,
The pepper to everything else ratio is starting to go up.
salt, dried basil, and black pepper.
And next up, this beautiful tomato sauce.
Yep, this is our house tomato sauce.
What's this
This-
little?
Oh, that's the wicked.
This is the wicked?
That's the wicked.
How hot is that?
I'd say it's hot. It's chipotle peppers, chili peppers, chili spiced oil.
You're not joking when you call it wicked.
All right, cream. Let it simmer for 45 minutes just to get all the pepper goodness in there. Add the sugar. Romano cheese.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! We just went to spicy tomato Alfredo. Huh? Good way to explain
That'd be
it?
a good way to explain it.
So we let it simmer down?
Yep.
And next we'll work on what?
Like we gotta chicken it.
We're gonna chicken it?
We're gonna chicken it. Sliced chicken breast, little salt and pepper.
So the chicken's browned up nicely?
Yep. A few ladles of cream chicky riggy sauce. Then I pour my riggies in. Coat it all. There you go. Nice. And she's done. Garnish with locatelli cheese and green onion.
And that's riggies.
Chicken riggies.
Wicked chicken riggies.
Winner, winner, wicked chicken dinner.
You know, not only have you beat me in the blonde department, the height department, but now you just rolled out winner, winner, wicked chicken dinner. That's an awesome dish.
I'm so glad.
Pasta's nice, not too much sauce, not overly spicy. A real simple dish, but quality ingredients made the right way, and it's a staple here at Possibilities.
That's right.
Love it. Riggies up.
A lot of restaurants try and have the chicken riggies, but only a couple of them actually do it right.
Half ravioli, full ravioli, 2 meatballs. Their meatballs and the raviolis are just to die for.
Rigatoni bolognese.
Authentic. The recipes came over from the old country. They were brought over by my great-grandmother, Clara. Rigatoni bolognese up.
My aunts made ravioli for church dinners.
And it just gets passed down through the generations. Half ravioli, and now I'm the 4th generation in America making these ravioli.
Take me to Flavor Town, son.
We use 1/3, 1/3, 1/3 beef, veal, and pork. Nice and hot.
Really break this meat apart. We don't want any big chunks.
Absolutely.
You know what? You just don't see it at fairs anymore. Meat pops. Next.
Minced shallot, minced garlic, salt, black pepper,
Okay.
a little bit of granulated garlic. Give that a stir to incorporate.
Just a little bit, though. Not a lot at all.
Just a little bit. There's also garlic in the marinara sauce.
Got it. Let it cool down before we mix it with the cheese filling.
Absolutely.
Dig it? Now we're talking about filling. That's Mount Vesuvius of ricotta.
You can never have too much cheese. About a dozen eggs. Hard skim mozzarella cheese. Grated locatelli romano. Chopped flat leaf parsley. Salt. Fresh ground black pepper. Switch it on. 2 to 3 minutes. Mix it with the meat.
Precise measurement here, or?
Very precise. Right about there. Now we'll combine that.
So we're set with the meat filling for the ravs.
Yep.
Now, was this hammered out by Paul Revere?
We found it in the basement, so you never know.
You don't. Into the piping bag.
And the dough is as simple gets. It's flour and eggs.
It's like music to my ears.
We'll mix it for 3 minutes.
That's it?
That's it.
Okay, so the dough's had a chance to rest, and now sheet the pasta, make the ravioli.
Absolutely.
All so simple.
Get that started. And the thickest on this happens to be 7.
So lots of flour so it doesn't stick and bind.
We'll go again. Drop it down 1 setting.
Now this will be the triple?
This will be the triple here.
Doing the triple to get it the right size so it'll go through.
Hit it with a little bit more flour. 1 setting less again. Number 3. 2. We're going down to 1.
Look at that. That's crazy.
Fillings in the piping bag, straight up and down. Roll it over. And the other half, straight with the left, cup with the right.
What is this, Karate Kid? What do you think?
Looks great.
This?
Okay, cut them, seal them, and for that, we use our fork.
That, without question, is the ultimate ravioli tool.
We had one made for you.
Dude.
Just press to seal. And that's it.
What's the next step, boss?
Get them in the water.
Now we're just waiting to cook the pasta dough itself. So give me the rundown on the marinara.
Very basic. Olive oil, garlic, and canned Italian plum tomatoes.
San Marzano.
San Marzano. And right onto the plate.
Look at that.
Touch it up with a little fresh chopped parsley and some grated locatelli romano.
Now that's a fork. That is all thrilla, no filla. You got the balance, exact amount of creaminess. You taste the texture in the ricotta still. Then you get the texture of the meat. And the flavor's right on point with it. The marinara adds that acid, a little bit of that sting from some of that cheese right on top of it. Here, you want to try some? Oh, I'm sorry.
Order up linguini with crab gravy.
Nobody makes the crab gravy like Stogie Joe.
Sunday gravy was a tomato sauce for a pasta dish, correct?
Exactly.
But we're gonna make it with crab.
Yep. So we start with olive oil, butter, leeks, onion,
Celery, bay leaf.
garlic, peppercorn, a little bit of oregano, crushed red pepper, some fresh parsley and thyme.
My favorite album.
Get that going for a few minutes.
Raw but clean blue crabs.
Exactly.
And this is the crab of the East Coast.
Yes.
Talk about great flavor and sweet.
Old Bay, and then we'll cook it for 15 minutes. We'll finish it with white wine and crushed plum tomatoes.
We're gonna cook it.
Yep. 4 hours, 5 hours.
Oh, really?
Yeah. We macerate it through a food mill.
I've never seen this. That's awesome. So it comes with the sieve and everything?
Yep.
We're gonna grind it up, get the sauce out of it.
Yep.
The crab, all that great flavor's in the shell. You get all the flavor, none of the shells.
Exactly.
This is the next level. Did your mom get the chance to see any of this?
Absolutely.
What did she say? I never taught it to you this way.
Exactly.
I'm just dying to see the end of this.
Crab gravy, dab of tomato, butter just to balance out. Bring it up
Okay.
to temperature. We're gonna add linguini and salt and pepper. Just coat it real nice. You remember?
Real nice, like that. Smells the part.
Finish it with a little parsley, extra virgin olive oil.
And that's all she wrote.
In South Philly, we eat it with bread. You gotta dip.
Your brothers aren't over here serving the bread, working together as a tag team.
Here you go, big guy. I was sleeping.
Thank you. Are you taking a nap, were you? It is crab on crab on crab. You're getting all the flavor you want. Wham! Right into the pasta dish. It's Flavor City, really delicious.
2 linguini and crab.
The crab gravy is really, really good.
Their crabs just throughout that sauce and is unforgettable.